So what's the common denominator in the top numerator here? So it's a complex fraction, so there's a lot of numerators, denominator language, but in the numerator here, we're going to add these fractions, and these fractions in the numerator have a common denominator of x plus 3. So that means I need to multiply this first term by x plus 3 over x plus 3. And that ends up then looking like x times x plus 3 over x plus 3 minus 2x times over x plus 3. So there is the numerator. Notice we now have a common denominator. We're going to do the same thing in the denominator of this complex fraction. Here the denominator has a lowest common denominator of x times minus 3x plus 3. So that means I need to multiply the 1 by x minus 3, and I need to multiply this 1 by x plus 3. Just realize that this should be a plus sign in the question. All right, now I'm going to write these as single fractions both on the top and the bottom. So I've got an x plus 3 as a single denominator. I'm going to multiply this in, and then I'm going to subtract minus 2x. There's the numerator. And in the denominator, I've got x plus 3 and x minus 3. And the 1 multiplied out is not going to affect anything, and neither is this 1 because there's a plus sign here. So plus x plus 3. So collecting like terms, 3x minus 2x is 1x over x plus 3. And in the denominator, the 3's cancel, plus 3 minus 3, so I have 2x over x plus 3, x minus 3. Now I've got one fraction in the numerator, and one fraction in the denominator. And that's when we can flip and multiply. So I take my numerator, I'm going to factor it, and there's my numerator, and I'm going to multiply by the flip of the denominator. And now I get to cancel. The x plus 3's cancel, the x cancels with this, and that means I'm left with x plus 1, x minus 3 over 2.